look here, even though you can see yourself there.
Okay.
But I just look there to make sure it's in focus. Yeah, okay. So. Hi guys, my name is Niara. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to I keep looking this way because I'm trying to see if my grandma's gonna come back. I'm gonna let her do my makeup. I don't know what possessed me to do this. Oh, maybe I need this. But her everyday routine is like lipstick because she's 80. Like my grandma doesn't do makeup. So this is gonna. This is my grandma.
Hello.
Grandma, how old are you?
80?
Mm-hmm. 80, and she's gonna do my makeup today. So, what do you feel like doing on my face, Grandma? Do you want to do my everyday makeup, or you want to do your everyday makeup on me?
Do your everyday makeup.
Okay, so we're gonna use this. The first thing I do is my eyebrows, always. So, this is like a gel, and you dip the brush in there, and then you draw my eyebrow.
Oh, okay.
Do you need me to get closer?
You're so pretty.
Thank you, Grandma.
You want it heavy?
Yeah, I like my eyebrows thick.
Oh, okay. Pretty. Okay. Oh. Now, see how you like that first of all.
So you did this eyebrow? I like it a little bit thicker than that, Grandma.
Okay.
Let's see it.
All right, see if that's going to be thick enough.
Yeah, see? A little bit, yeah, like that.
All right, see if that's okay.
Okay, so look, I want this one and this one to look the same. So you can basically draw with that on my face.
Draw with it.
Yeah, so that this eyebrow looks as arched as this one. See how this one goes like that?
Okay, so.
Yeah.
You know what you're doing? No. All right, I see. What you think?
What do you think?
Excuse me. I think this one a little bit darker. You so pretty.
Thanks. I get it from you.
Right, that's
Your
it.
side.
There's a mirror. You need to look and see if
I can see right there.
Is it okay? What you think? That you
think-
need to touch it up some more yourself.
No, Grandma. This is you.
Okay, let's see.
Yes.
I make this a little darker. Okay, check it out.
I see what you did. I see what you did. You know, Grandma, it actually doesn't look bad. It doesn't.
Okay.
You don't look like you're sure.
It doesn't
look bad. Okay. This is concealer. Do you know what that is?
Concealer.
So I just get this much.
That's a little teeny bit. And what do you do with that?
So any mistake underneath my eyebrow where the hairs are because I haven't done them in a while, to make them more arched.
So will I just go over what?
No. Underneath. So you draw underneath to make it arched.
Underneath of what?
Underneath the eyebrow. So you would go like that.
Excuse me. Ooh, I don't like that color. I'm messing up. Look.
Grandma, it's okay. Look, you put more and then you can blend it out. So you just get it off the thing. Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing. Help me, somebody. You have to do this. I can't.
Grandma, come on.
Okay, let's see now. I'm gonna go on this side. What's your name? No. Child, please fix that up.
Grandma, you gotta do it.
I can't do it.
Uh-huh. So look, the
What
same
do I do
brush,
now?
you can, wherever it's too light, you can just blend it out. So just like go like this with the brush and it'll spread it out.
Just like this?
Yeah.
I understand it. Gosh, I ain't gonna look like me. I'm doing it, I know it. Oh, Lord, I'm making it even worse. No, I ain't doing it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, no.
Grandma, it's not even bad. You just gotta blend it out.
Blend it out.
Mm-hmm.
I'll blend it out. Lord knows I don't know what I'm doing.
And now, you're gonna put this as close to my eyelashes as possible. On this eye.
As close to your eyelashes as possible.
Yeah, you put it on top.
Goodness. I'm scared.
Why?
I can't do that.
Grandma.
Put it on top of your eyelashes.
Yeah.
That's reasonable. Now what?
Is it close or do you want to move it?
I don't know. That's not my cup of tea.
Grandma, you gotta do it.
I got to
Cause
do
at the
it.
end, yeah. Cause at the end, I'm gonna be like, "This is what my grandma did." When she
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Thank you. Your hair's pretty too.
Thank you.
This her hair, y'all.
Oh, you're funny.
Ain't no wigs. Yeah,
Okay, so what am I supposed to do with this?
same thing on this side.
You're gonna have to fix this. Go fix it.
What do you mean?
It looks like it's gonna stay on, but I don't know.
It is gonna stay on.
Never mess up my granddaughter.
You were close. Okay.
Alright, you gotta fix it up a little bit, alright?
I mean, I could, but this is your challenge.
Oh, murder.
Okay, Grandma. Well, that was it for my everyday makeup. That's all I do.
Okay.
Eyebrows, lashes, and lip gloss, but you don't have to put lip gloss on me. So,
Look very pretty.
we gotta film the end of the video.
What?
The end of the video.
I bet you.
Grandma. So my grandma doesn't wear makeup. Grandma, what do you wear every day?
I put a little teeny bit on the lips and eyebrows.
And eyebrows, that's it? Okay. Yeah, so she put on lashes on me and she put concealer on me and she doesn't do any of this, so kudos to you, Grandma. You did good.
Thank
You
you.
didn't do that bad.
Appreciate you.
You gotta tell them to subscribe to my channel.
What's your channel? What's your channel?
Just say subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to
This channel.
this channel. All right.
You gotta point down at the button.
Where's the button?
I don't know where the button is, but we're gonna point. New videos every Thursday.
Every Thursday.
Okay, great. Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome.
For coming on my
Thank you.
channel.
Thank you,
This was fun.
granddaughter.
This was fun.